Welcome back to the Layered channel. Imagine stepping into a space where the untamed beauty of the tropics bows gracefully to the calm discipline of Japanese minimalism. Picture lush greenery, clean architectural lines, and an atmosphere that whispers relaxation rather than demands attention. This is not just another patio design trend, it is a lifestyle shift. In today's video, we explore how these seemingly opposite worlds merge into a low-maintenance luxury retreat. Stay with me, because what you're about to see may completely redefine how you think about outdoor living. From the very first glance, the patio's exterior tells a compelling story. Instead of visual clutter, bold tropical foliage is strategically framed by restrained structures, smooth concrete, warm timber, and neutral stone. The magic lies in contrast. Large leaf plants create drama, while minimalist surfaces provide breathing room for the eyes. Nothing feels overwhelming. Every element earns its place. But here's the twist: despite the rich greenery, maintenance remains surprisingly simple. Curious how that balance is achieved? Let's move deeper into the design philosophy behind it. Japanese minimalism isn't about emptiness, it's about intention. Every stone, every plank, every plant exists for a reason. When fused with tropical design, this philosophy prevents the space from becoming wild or chaotic. Instead of dozens of plant varieties, only a curated selection dominates the scene. Repetition replaces randomness. Clean geometry anchors organic shapes. The result feels luxurious, not busy. And the best part: fewer elements often mean fewer problems. But how do we keep this simplicity from feeling cold or lifeless? The next layer reveals the answer. Tropical lushness typically suggests dense, high-effort gardens. Yet in this hybrid patio, greenery is chosen for resilience rather than rarity. Hardy species with bold textures deliver visual richness without demanding constant care. Think sculptural leaves, architectural silhouettes, and year-round presence. Strategic placement matters more than quantity. Plants become living design features rather than decorative fillers. Suddenly, maintenance becomes manageable. But greenery alone cannot build atmosphere. The materials surrounding them play an equally critical role, and that's where things get even more interesting. Luxury here is subtle, never loud. Smooth stone, natural wood, and muted finishes evoke calm sophistication. Japanese aesthetics favor authenticity, materials that age beautifully rather than deteriorate. Combined with tropical vitality, the patio feels grounded yet alive. Weather-resistant surfaces reduce upkeep, proving elegance and practicality can coexist. Notice how colors remain restrained, allowing textures to shine. This is a space that feels expensive without looking flashy. But design is not only visual. The emotional experience of the patio begins to unfold as we step inside. One of the most captivating aspects is the fluid transition between exterior and interior. Sliding doors, open thresholds, and continuous flooring dissolve boundaries. The patio stops being outside and becomes an extension of the home's living area. Tropical greenery appears framed like living artwork, while minimalist interiors echo the patio's calm rhythm. This continuity enhances both spaces simultaneously. It's a psychological trick as much as a design strategy. But what truly transforms this patio into a sanctuary is not structure, it's atmosphere. True luxury is often silent. Gentle light, soft shadows, and uncluttered layouts create a sense of stillness rarely found in busy modern homes. Japanese principles emphasize negative space, allowing the mind to rest. Tropical elements introduce warmth and softness, preventing sterility. Together, they produce a tranquil yet inviting mood. This patio is not meant to impress guests, it is designed to restore its inhabitants. And once you feel that calm, you realize furniture choices must reinforce the same philosophy. Let's examine how. Minimalist patios reject overcrowding. Instead of multiple seating arrangements, carefully chosen pieces define the experience. Low-profile designs, natural finishes, and ergonomic comfort dominate the scene. Furniture becomes functional sculpture, contributing to aesthetics without noise. Each piece supports relaxation, conversation, or contemplation. The tropical backdrop softens the disciplined layout, preventing rigidity. Comfort remains central, yet visual clarity is preserved. But even the most beautiful patio fails without thoughtful lighting, which quietly shapes how the space lives after sunset. As daylight fades, lighting transforms the patio's personality. Soft, diffused illumination highlights textures rather than flooding the space. Shadows become design elements. Leaves glow gently. Surfaces acquire depth and mystery. Japanese-inspired lighting favors subtlety, while tropical surroundings amplify its drama. Energy-efficient fixtures also align with the low-maintenance philosophy. The patio now feels intimate, almost cinematic. But beyond aesthetics, this environment influences how people behave within it, slowing movements, encouraging presence, and deepening relaxation. Here's the revelation many viewers wait for: how does such a rich space remain easy to manage? The answer lies in intelligent restraint. Durable materials, strategic plant selection, and simplified layouts eliminate common maintenance headaches. There are fewer delicate components to replace, fewer demanding species to nurture. Design decisions anticipate long-term reality, not short-term beauty. This is where luxury becomes sustainable rather than exhausting. And when everything works harmoniously, the patio evolves into more than a design, it becomes a daily ritual. This fusion of tropical lushness and Japanese minimalism ultimately reshapes how the space is used. Morning coffee feels meditative. Evenings feel restorative. The environment subtly encourages mindfulness, slowing the relentless pace of modern life. The patio becomes a refuge rather than a showcase. Its beauty does not shout, it breathes. And perhaps that is its greatest achievement. But before we conclude, consider this: what makes such designs truly timeless in a world of fleeting trends? Tropical vibrancy and Japanese restraint may seem like unlikely partners, yet together they create something extraordinary: a patio that feels alive, calm, luxurious, and surprisingly effortless to maintain. This design approach proves that beauty does not require excess, and serenity does not require emptiness. It is a delicate balance of energy and stillness, nature and structure. If this vision inspired you, imagine the possibilities within your own home. Because sometimes, the most powerful transformations begin just beyond your door.